This is embarrassing. Should I even show y'all this? Okay, I'm gonna show y'all.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride
Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday. Hopefully we get to push this video out before the weekend ends. It depends on how everything goes. I am trying to stay optimistic that we will be able to find everything in store, because for what we're doing, I don't want to order nothing because I just want to get it done because it's about time, right? So let me show y'all what we're working on. But wait, before we go in here, we have been in this house for like 9 months. So this is quite embarrassing, and do not judge us, okay? Because we're getting done. But let me show y'all. As y'all can see, we are in our bathroom, and through the bathroom is our closet. This is embarrassing. Should I even show y'all this? Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. Yes, this is embarrassing. Oh my goodness, but we don't even really come in here because we have dressers in our room. So we have been living out of those, but look at this. We still have totes and boxes. Oh my gosh, this is atrocious. Yes, judge away, but look, we in the house, okay? And we about to get this together. This is pretty bad though. Yes, I know this is sad. It is pathetic. Yes, I know this, okay? But we are going to do this closet. Hopefully, we'll get it done by the weekend, depending on if we find everything in store. But I have been saying for the longest that I wanted one of those Ikea PAX closets. And my sister, my nephew, my brother, they all work at Ikea. But that stuff is so expensive, especially to like do the closet. I've priced it, and it's like $1,500 and up. And I don't want to do all of that just for a closet. So I've seen the 5-shelf bookshelves at Walmart, and we're gonna get this done, okay? So let's get out of here and see what we can find in store. All right, y'all, so we are in the car heading to Walmart to see if they have everything we need, because again, I do not want to wait to order stuff because they're stupid. But I have Jermaine and Curtis. Are y'all excited?
Yep.
We about to
put me to work.
We about to do our
put me to work.
We're doing the DIY on our closet. Well, when I say we, I mean
me.
Because I just had the vision of what I wanted to look like, and they do it. Like, if you guys have been following the channel long enough, y'all seen my office tour, and they put everything together for that. I just, you know, I'm the
slave master.
Anywho, are you excited, Jermaine? I'm gonna show you everything, but you can help with the layout and all of that stuff. I just need to give me one of them construction hats, because I'm like the leader of the construction team.
You need a clipboard, because them the ones that don't be doing nothing.
I delegate. All right, y'all. We made it to Walmart. Let's get in here and see if they got what we need. Which one is it, babe?
Take a 5-shelf.
Yeah. How many they got?
5, 6, 7.
Where the price at?
$35.
How many we gonna get? You can put that in the cart if you want that. Of course, they wouldn't have everything in here. So we gotta go to the Home Depot to see if they have the adjustable closet rods. So we about to get this stuff paid for and head over to the Home Depot.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
Did we have a successful trip to Walmart?
Nope.
Why not?
Because they didn't have all the stuff you wanted.
So we gonna head to Home Depot, y'all.
Well, you gonna buy me a new tool?
What kind of tool you want, babe?
I'll let you know when I see you.
So is that my payment? I have to pay you?
Yep.
So I have to buy you a tool for you to build the closet?
Nah, that's a fee.
It's a fee?
We'll talk about my expenses later.
All right, y'all. But once we have everything, Curtis and Momo can start building. I'm so excited. I don't know about them, but I'm excited. So we finally found a Home Depot with the poles. We can head home now. So we spent about a total of $400, and some of this might be going back. We just rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So, you gonna help Bill, Biggie? You gonna help? All right, babe. One shelf at a time, guys. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's to your mouth? What you talking about? What are you talking about? Huh? Somebody don't like the sound of styrofoam. Me either. So while Curtis is downstairs starting the shelving process, Jermaine is gonna get all of this stuff out of the closet. Try to kill two birds with one stone. All right. Boy, this is gonna be a project, but it's gonna be worth it. I'll come back and check on you, okay? Y'all so sweet for doing this. Thank y'all.
You're welcome.
I love y'all.
Love you too. Love you too, but we don't think we had a choice in the matter.
You don't think you had a choice? You always got a choice.
What's my choice? Either do this or get out?
Do this or do this. Do this now or do this right now. So, should we leave that up there?
You said it's taxable.
I'm saying them shoe boxes and everything coming down. What you think? So what you think? Are we gonna leave the top?
I don't know.
Alright. We have decided to leave this shelf here. Gonna have to get some regular, what are these called?
Brackets. Shelf brackets.
So the L-shaped shelf brackets, because we got a lot of stuff. But it's gonna look nice. It's coming together. But for now, we gonna do what we can. Alright, y'all. This is what we've come up with, which is not bad, right? It's not bad. We're not done, but this is what we've come up with what we have. Now I want a rug in here. I want to, you know, we got to finish putting our clothes and stuff in here. Let's see. Like, it's coming together. It's okay. It's okay. We do have to finish putting things in here. And, like, these rods, we have some more rods downstairs. And another shelf that we have to take back. So, we saved ourselves about 50, 60 bucks. So, this was a little over $300 in total. Maybe like $340, $350. Not bad. We still have more shelving, because these came with 5 and we didn't put all 5 on each one. But this is not bad, not bad. We will do a final tour when everything is in here. Like I said, I want to put a rug down and get everything else in here. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next video.
And we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride.